Right, so another watering solution. A simple form of irrigation. I've got a funny feeling it's going to be quite hot again this year, and it's as simple as using a few hose pipes between beds and a water butt, sort of a 25 litre-ish, maybe more, water butt. I can't remember exactly how much they've got in them. And the idea is simple. The weight of the water at the top here pushes down through there, out of the pipe, and it follows through, and obviously the weight of the water just supplies you with the water you need. It's as simple as that. In other words, it's only as good as the amount of water you've got in your water butt. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so we grab the pipe, this end, from there. As you'll see, I've attached it through a smaller pipe which has had some holes drilled through it. It'll become clear in a minute, and it leads off to a exit pipe which goes into that little blue pipe poking up out of the soil. So, simply put, this pipe is basically run round in a circular motion. If you see there, it's just buried underground in the bed. Really simple. And it comes round here and it's joined up in a T-joint there. So now we've got the whole thing attached together. I've got this two pipes running off over to the further bed over there. It's really simple. Right. Helps if I pour it out the right one. Right, so here we have it. The water's starting to drip out. We switched the tap on over there, so the water drips out. As I say, it's got holes punched in through the pipe. There's a secondary piece of pipe just zip tied to the bottom, so it just drip feeds water in there. And then we come across here, and as you will see, the water's starting to trickle through. If you just bear with me a second. Here we go, the water trickling out just so you can see. It comes from there and it just spreads the water out. There we go. It spreads water out across the bed.